Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Revolut to Binance. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen, you have to click on send. And after that, you have to click on this search bar and search for XRP and then select the XRP from search results. Then on the screen, you have to select the network that you want to use. And then you have to paste the wallet address in this area. So open up your Binance app. Then on the screen, click on deposit. After that, you have to search for the same currency. So just search for XRP and select the XRP from here. After that, you have to select the same network that you have selected in your Revolut app. Then you just have to click on this copy button right next to your wallet address, and your wallet address will be copied. After that, open up your Revolut app and then paste the wallet address in this area and click on continue. Then your wallet address will be added here. So just tap on it and then you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to transfer, and then click on review transfer. Then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure wallet address, network and amount is correct and then click on send. And once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from Revolut to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.